Let's see who's louder. Ladies?
So I want you to show Clarkston why they call you Rock. for me driving to my gate and trying to break into my damn house. And maybe I forgot all the things that I miss. Somehow I know there's got to be a little more to life than this. I said it so many times, and I still stand firm. You get what you put in, and people get what they deserve. Say thank you real quick to a couple of our sponsors for helping me to be able to keep ticket prices low this summer. Some great American companies: Jimmy John's, Harley Davidson, and DTE. And no, that part is not in the contract. But no matter what you paid to get in here, where you came from, I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you for spending your hard-earned money to come see us play for you. Thank you very much.